Kasolo William mukuru w'entebe ya katano hawa district age najango bashobanjirirwe tibineho kutabantu aba kandi obwahati Mbarara harwa rwenguto hamwe na hansi y'emiti.
Where is the capacity of the district to plan for disasters? We put in place a district contingency plan and we have distributed it to partners, Red Cross, all the partners. So I'm appealing to OPM to come to our rescue, because as you can see, where do we take them? These are Ugandans. They are not refugees that I can take them to Bubukwanga transit camp. They are not. Where do I take them? These are Ugandans here, and you can see some of them are unwinding their nets. They are going to do the fishing activity. So you cannot take them away from here.
Okushanyikwa kwenkungu zo mugera gwa Simuliki kusigire byaro birukurenga 10 okurwo mu magombora 2 agabweramure hamwe na Rwebisengo batine ho kutamutwe kandi bariyo mu mbera mbi.
Mumbora ya Rwebisengo mukiranga umuruka gwona na budiba eyone hoireho na masojo umubutungama na Rwentuwe paka Masaka ifo mubutungama Sub County.
Abatiro mwegemure abutuganiraho nabo nabajango bwahati bashaziremo kurara harwa rwenguto hamwe na hansi y'emiti abo kujangwa amaju gabo gona gakaza hansi y'amizi agabatahirire.
Enzu yange mazire kudikira amaizi kandi tunihira kuija kugaruka amaju mpaka kwezi kwa 12 nibwo amaju nibwo amaizi gasoko bagakiya. Cyonka tusaba government kutuyambire twatera mu byasinde byo kuri etatuha
alubona gakabomoka kanyombere ni ndino mukayikuru akafa amaisho takuweza unda nabo bati tuina nambe kumota ni mpimba ni twara hebu amaizi gakatahire kero mu itumbi saa 8 tukarara mu maizi obwira bwalinda bwachi abantu no bayizera bayiza batusabura mu maizi
bwabarisa bente obwahate mteme behanikire bwanyuma y'amatungo gabo kutandika kurwara obo batineho kuziraguriza
gejwire gaburwa zabura nko kuzirali amezi gejwi gasobnyase gabocha zabura nko kuzirali
wa enkoko zange zona zafa kandi mukazi mfakate tingiri banyowe nyine mutu wena okunyamba ndi yawe msirwangu kabandi mire kubona kafuera dumu gwa maizi ati nyine kinda akora
abo bwahate bashaba government okubahwera bakarugo mu mbereji ebaburizo butoro
government kamanyire government tunira plan umurange kagutwara mu government ruguru woku wekine maisha nkoko ntorokene ferirwa abantu amazuruka bona gachatirwa amaizi kanore amaizi gachagenda amaizi mu maisho gachatera abantu
Gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwire.